Hey, auto body shop owners. Have you ever wondered how to supercharge your auto body shop's marketing strategy and get customers through the door precisely when they need you and are ready to commit? Well, today we're going to dive into this game-changing world of Geofence Advertising. It's a digital marketing technique that can transform your business. So buckle up, because we're about to explore why geofencing is an absolute game changer for auto body shops. We're going to touch on things like how it works, how the timing is critical, how to target competitors, and why geofencing is smart for auto body shops. Let's talk a little bit about geofence or geofencing, geofence advertising. Basically what this is it is advertising to a certain person or group of people inside of a geofence. So it is targeting potential customers within a boundary. It's not targeting everybody in your city. It is targeting a specific group of people, a specific person that is at a specific location. How does this exactly work? Maybe you're kind of creeped out by it. Basically, this is how it works. You have a smartphone, I imagine, and highly likely you have the location services turned on your phone. If you use Google Maps or Apple Maps or any type of map services, then you have your location services turned on. So if we were to use Geofence advertising for your auto body shop, you would give us a list of all your competitors in your city, or if it was a very large city and you only wanted to target the 30 or 40 shops in a 5-mile radius, you would give us those, and we would go onto a map services and draw a line around your competitor's auto body shop. So we can do it specifically to the dimensions of your competitor's shop, not just their property, but we can narrow it right down to their shop. So what happens then when someone walks into their shop through that invisible geofence? It picks up the mobile phone ID if they have their location services turned on, and statistically 90% of people do. It picks up that ID, and then it starts serving them ads inside of apps and browsers that they use on their phone. And this happens basically instantaneously from when they walk through the boundary, through the geofence, that it starts serving these ads. And then you can run the ads up to 30 days after that. Now, obviously, timing is important. Not all geofence services can start serving ads immediately. Some of them have to wait a day or two till they start serving ads. Now, as you know, in the auto body industry, in the collision repair industry, that person may have made up their mind by that time. So you want to start serving them ads immediately to get them thinking that maybe they need a second opinion, or maybe they need to check into your shop as an option as well, rather than just going to the shop that the insurance company told them they should. So as you can see, timing is important here, because you're reaching the person when they need your services. And as you can see, we can also narrow this down to targeting your competitors. It's not out across the whole city or out across the whole town. It is targeting specifically your competitors. You're probably starting to see why this is a pretty smart option for auto body shops. This ad starts reaching your potential customer as soon as they cross that geofence line. And it is very targeted to that narrow geographic location and to those people that are going into the shop. Because why are they going there? Well, they're probably going to get an estimate. And that's a great time to get them thinking that they should get a second opinion. They need a second opinion for your shop to perform the services. It is flexible. There's endless opportunities here. You can do other things with geofencing as well, like targeting a certain neighborhood in your city, or targeting a certain area in your city. So there are different applications for this. Now, is this something that an auto body shop is typically going to be doing on their own without some professional digital agency services? Typically not, because a digital agency can help to strategize, build out a custom plan. They can work at tracking and optimizing for that marketing dollar that you are looking for a return on. So geofencing is not just a buzzword. It is a powerful tool that can revolutionize how your auto body shop connects with its customers. From that precise targeting and instant communication to the cost effectiveness and flexibility and benefits. So if you're ready to take your auto body shop to the next level, consider partnering with a professional agency like ours to go ahead and implement geofencing and see how it transforms your business. As you know, there's lots of potential here. So until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more automotive awesomeness. If you like this content, subscribe here at YouTube.